Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Astral hook rod. To acquire this powerful fishing tool, your primary goal is to reach the maximum level in the game, which is level 2,500. This rod is not something you can simply buy. It is a reward for dedicated players who invest countless hours into their fishing journey. It represents a significant achievement and offers impressive benefits for your in-game experience. Reaching level 2,500 is the key to unlocking the Astral hook rod. To achieve this, focus on strategic fishing in areas known for high experience point gains. Prioritize catching legendary or mythic rarity fish, as they offer the most experience. Additionally, exploring new map locations will grant you valuable one-time experience bonuses. Keep an eye out for weekend events, which often provide double experience points, significantly accelerating your progress towards the level cap. The Astral hook rod comes with truly impressive statistics and passive abilities. It features 100% lure speed and a massive 200% luck, greatly enhancing your chances. You'll also benefit from a consistent 15% progress speed boost on all your catches. Furthermore, stars will fall every 1.2 to 2.4 seconds while fishing, adding another 15% progress speed. After catching 12 fish, an astral pool spawns, giving an 80% chance for a 6 times value astral mutation. Beyond its base stats, the Astral hook rod offers even more. A perfect cast and catch combination gives you a 10% chance to get a random non-limited fish with a Stardust mutation, boosting its sale value by 7.5 times. To further enhance your rod, consider enchantments like Mystical, which improves resilience by 45%, luck by 25%, lure speed by 15%, and progress speed by 10%. For catching larger fish, the Sea Overlord enchantment is highly recommended, increasing fish size by 50%.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.